So we are just catching fishes today. We are in New Hampshire, Lake Ossipee, I think. Is that where we are?
Yep.
So we are just gonna catch some fishes. And here are the worms we have. We need smaller worms, but that's what we got. Then that's where we're gonna put the fish, this big bucket.
So we do not use a bucket.
That's how big it is, normal size. I'm gonna zoom in. And there's a bunch of, there's a really nice sun and glare. And there's a bunch of boats here. So we have to be careful for the boats. But we have adults watching us, so it's okay. And he, I think, is getting a fish right now. Nope, nothing?
I just started one. Let me go for mine.
Oh, there's one.
There's a couple.
There's the, hook.
I only see one. I see like three. And I lost it.
So if you stumbled across this video, please watch it. And like and subscribe for more content by us. So this might be like a half hour long, but that one's going for it. Go, go, go.
Wait.
So
There's one going for it.
that's the water. It's pretty nice. You can't really see the hook, but there it is. And there's him. That was Glory. I think it might be like 10 minutes as long as we can record for, but it's been like a minute. And
So is it a short?
it's been 2 minutes exactly. And it's going nice.
Is it a short that she's doing?
Nope, video. So how about we introduce ourselves? So I am Sophia. I'm his cousin. And this is Evan.
If you didn't already know.
And this is Abby.
His favorite cousin.
Yep, of course. And that's the dock. It's pretty nice. Ignore the sun glare. But we're just working with what we have. Oh my god, look at the ducks. Duckies.
Don't catch it though.
Don't catch one.
Yeah, I caught one a couple of years ago.
See that? There's the other one. They're pretty nice. I'm pretty sure they're like loons. You almost catching one?
Yeah, there's one right next to it.
Okay, so we might be catching one somehow. We're not like pro fishers. I have no clue how to fish. He fishes.
He's the best fisher.
He's like fished his whole life, right?
Since I was like
3.
3, 4.
I learned like last year, so I'm pretty bad.
Dude, do not hit me up.
So there's where it is. This is our beautiful house right now. It's really pretty. Ignore the mess.
This is the setup that I have.
Let's look. So that's your
Anyways, for me, so 5'6".
5x6.
5'6" light.
So it's like a pro one.
Yeah, it's pretty pro.
It's pretty pro.
And I'm not pro.
So there is a fish trying to get
I
it.
did fish him
But-
once.
Wait, let's give it some bait.
So we don't
Ew!
know.
It's disgusting.
It's fine.
Yeah. If you don't like worms or you have like things to like crawliness,
I thought you were
look
like
away.
doing
Just skip ahead. Giving you
I
time
thought you were
to.
doing like a real YouTube video.
Okay, so here these are. Ew. Yeah. We have to go through like the pictures and like videos to like post it. So anything yet?
No. My roommate threw Michaela's fishing rod down there.
So I'm just gonna sit right here. We're on the dock. It's pretty nice. Maybe try the shallow end.
Maybe. Oh, Joe, with this video, can we keep fishing and I can put out some music on?
Okay. So we'll update you in maybe like 5 minutes and I'll update another video. So peace out. Bye. See you later.